As the year sums up, I think it's a high time to talk about the 2024, how the real estate worked, what are the numbers, what's happening in the market, what happened in the market. Hi, this is Anora, and today I'm going to just wrap up about what happened in the real estate market in the year 2024 and what's going on, what are we expecting. The market is buzzing right now and there is a lot going on. The prices are up, demands are high, and whether you're looking to buy your first home or invest in something big, there's a lot of opportunities here. So what's happening in the market currently? 2024 residential property prices went up by 7%. I know it doesn't seem like a big number, but in real estate, that's a huge number. It means people are still flocking to Dubai. Villas especially in the prime locations, are seeing even bigger jumps with prices about 3% in the last few months. Now, in the last few months, reaching about 1,745 dirhams per square foot. That's pretty big leap. And it's actually 19.3% higher than the peak back in 2014. And let's not forget about the apartments. Now, these are up to 10% this quarter, about 1,560 dirhams per square foot. That's a solid increase year on year, and it shows that the demand for city living is still strong. Now, let's talk about the good stuff. Off-plan properties are where the real action happens right now. So if you see the quarter one of 2024, the transactions, there were about 23,000 transactions. That is nearly double than the resale transactions, which is about 13,000 transactions. The thing is, people are now trusting the future of Dubai, and they're putting their money where their mouth is, with off-plans hitting sales about 140 billion this quarter alone. Not only that, the high-end properties are also booming. There were about 400 plus sales, over 10 million transactions last year, and this moment is rolling into 2024. So if you are looking to get into the luxurious market, now it's the time. So what's coming? The supply of new properties is growing really fast, and right now you have about 260,000 units that are under construction, and most of these will be apartments. That's around 80%. So if you're in the market for the first home, for your first investment property, the next few years are going to give you a lot of choices. But it's not just apartments. You have gotten in the luxury and branded residences in the pipeline as well. So there's something for everyone, no matter your budget. Now, where should you exactly focus? Let's break it down. You have Palm Jumeirah and Jumeirah Bay Island, which are the top tier luxury spots with villas going around for 7,500 dirhams per square foot in Palm Jumeirah. That's the highest in Dubai currently. But if you're looking for something more value without compromising too much on the location, Jumeirah Village Circle is up and coming with apartments priced at about 1,560 dirhams per square foot. So what else do we have over here? You have the Mac Hills as well, which is great for families and first-time buyers, and the price per square foot there is about 1,160 dirhams per square foot. So no matter what your budget is, Dubai gives you all the options. You have high-end luxury to most affordable growing communities. Now obviously you'll tell me why Dubai. People are all moving here, the market will crash soon because of so many projects and everything. Why should you care about Dubai as much? Well, the market here is tough, it's resilient and growing. In fact, many areas are now surpassing the prices from back in 2014. That's showing how much confidence there is in this market. Investors are putting their money here, and with the new developments coming up, the potential of growth is much higher. Now, here's the deal. Dubai's real estate market is stronger than ever. The numbers prove it, and the opportunities are there. Whether you're buying your first home or eyeing a luxury property, Dubai is a place to make the move. And that was all about the 2024 wrap. Now, let's see what 2025 has gotten us. Now, luxury properties, well, they're going to get even more bigger, bolder, driven by high net worth individuals and expect chasing the ultimate premium living. I mean, think about the Torino Lamborghini residences. It had iconic developments. This isn't just real estate, it's a lifestyle upgrade. And off-plan properties, well, they're still in the spotlight. Developers are rolling out to irresistible payment plans, making it easier to grab a slice of Dubai's future. With the potential of solid ROI, it's hard to pass this. Now, coming down to affordable living, you're seeing a shift in areas like you have the JVC, you have Dubai South, and many other areas which are becoming the hotbeds for any investor who wants to step up their game. Now, not only that, you're getting at an affordable rate as well as flexible payment plan, which is a win-win again. Now, while the classics such as Downtown and Dubai Marina will always hold the charm, you have, like I said, the upcoming areas which will be developing soon. You have Dubai South, Arjan, Furjan, which are getting serious tractions. Well, at the end of the day, say Dubai is a city that knows how to cater to every dream, every budget, and every lifestyle. Now the question is, where do you want to see yourself? Because whether it's luxury, affordability, or the big growth hub, there's a piece for everyone waiting for you here in Dubai. Now this is all in all about the wrap of 2024 and what we can expect in 2025. With the increasing amount of population coming in, there's very good chance for you to step up your game in investment. Now, if you want to know about more properties, if you want to know what are the areas to invest in, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.